everyone, welcome to Jitandra's Biology.
In plants. See the waste products generally how they are producing during the metabolic activities. When for example during the process of respiration carbon dioxide is produced. During the process of digestion undigested food particles will be produced. And during the filtration of blood kidneys will be produces what that is waste products. So like that during the metabolic activities that waste products has been produced. But that metabolic activities are very slow in plants. That's why the waste products are also producing very slowly in the plants. So the excretory system is not advanced like animals in the plants. In the plants, the excretory system is somewhat slow and undeveloped when compared to the animals. Why? Because the metabolic rates activities are also slow in the plants. And in the plants, if you take for example during the process of photosynthesis, photosynthesis, they will be excretes waste materials as that is oxygen and water. And the same plants during the process of respiration, they excrete the carbon dioxide as a waste product. That means both these excretions can be done with help of the structures called what? Stomata present in the leaves. So this is one type of things. Next you take sometimes some of the plants. Some plants can excrete some plants can stores. They can store these waste materials. Can store this waste in the form of solid particles. In the form of what? Solid particles. And these solid particles, and the solid particles in the form of what? Fruits. In the form of what? Fruits. And these solid waste, the solid waste which are stored in the form of fruits are called raphides. They are called what? Raphides. So whenever these fruits get ripened, they will be fall away from the plant. So automatically the waste will also get rid from that plants. That is carry away from the plants. And next, not only this, some more plants are there. They store the waste materials in the form of leaves. Some will store in the form of what? Leaves. Some will be stored in the stems. And some will be stored in the birds. Some will be stored in the flowers. That is in different parts. In different parts they will store, and whenever they get ripened, they will get rid from the plant. They rid away from the water. Get rid from the plant. Get rid away from what? Plants. Rid away means nothing but will be gets falling from the plants. And next coming, this is one method. There are some plants which will also, that is these waste materials will be in the form of secretions. They will be in the form of what? Secretions. For example, you take that is roots of rhizobium plants. Roots of what? Rhizobium plants. These rhizobium plants will actually secrete some waste, that is some chemicals. Toward that chemicals, what happen? These the roots of leguminous plants, not rhizobium. The roots of leguminous plants will be producing these secretions, and there what happen? Toward this, the rhizobium bacteria will get attracted. Attracted. So in this way, the secretions are also helpful for the that is symbiosis process in them. And some of the plants will be secreting their secretions in the form of nectar. In the flowers as well as on the pollen grains. And by this what will happen? That insects and flies will get attracted towards this pollen grains or towards this nectar, and they facilitate the process of pollination. Pollination. So when these flies or insects will come and fly upon this the flower, they will suck the nectar and they will attach these pollen grains and they take away along with them. So actually in this pollen grains, nitrogenous waste are present. What waste? Nitrogenous waste. N2 waste means nitrogenous waste are been present. So these nitrogen waste are also excreted outside from the plants. So in that way they have been excreting. So these are some of the strategies which has been adopted by the plants for the process of excretion. The excretory waste in plants. The excretory waste in plants, actually they are being classified into two types. There are two types. What are they? They are primary metabolites. whereas second one is called as secondary metabolites. Primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. These primary metabolites, actually examples for these primary metabolites are what? Carbohydrates, fats, okay, and proteins. These comes under what? Primary metabolites. Secondary metabolites examples are what? That is nothing but tannins, okay, resins, latex, okay, gums, okay, chisel, as well as alkaloids, etc. This all comes under what, Nana? That is secondary metabolites. Actually, what are these primary metabolites? Examples we learned, but actually what is the definition of primary metabolites? That means these metabolites are useful in the growth and development. Useful for what, Nana? Growth and development of plants. They are useful for what? Growth and development of what? Plants. Whereas secondary metabolites, they are not useful. They are not useful in the what, Nana? That is, they are not useful in the growth and development of the plants. So that they are called as secondary metabolites. And the metabolites which are useful in the growth and development of plants are called what? Primary metabolites. These are the examples. So actually these are the secondary metabolites which are not useful for the growth and development of plants. But even though the human being has been found out some commercial uses or some economical uses we have got in using from them. Okay, what are that economical uses and that uses now we are going to see now. Alkaloids are nitrogenous byproducts, and they are poisonous also. They are poisonous too. And they are stored in different parts. They are stored in what, Anna? Different parts of plants. Different parts of what, Anna? Plants. And actually these are the nitrogenous byproducts and poisonous. They are waste materials for the plants. But man has found their own use from these alkaloids also. What are they? You see, first alkaloid is nothing but quinine. Okay, the alkaloid name first we will write here. Next, the plant, from which plant it is producing. It is producing from a plant called as a cinchona. Officinalis. Okay, and commonly called as cinchona. Common name is cinchona plant and scientific name is Cinchona officinalis. And which part this alkaloid is present? That is quinine alkaloid is present in the bark. Present in what? Bark. And what are the uses of this? It is acting as anti-malarial drug. Anti-malarial drug. That is useful to cure the malaria disease. Next is nothing but nicotine. Okay, nicotine. It is getting from a plant called as Nicotina tobacum. Nicotina tobacum. It is getting from a plant called what? Tobacco plant. Getting from a plant called what? Tobacco plant. Where it is present? It is present in the leaves. Present in what? Leaves. It is acting as what? It is useful for what? Preparation of insecticides. Preparation of what? Insecticides. Next alkaloid what? That is reserpine. Okay. Pine. Reserpine. Okay, reserpine is getting from a plant called as a Rauwolfia. Okay, serpentina. Okay, snake root plant, commonly called as snake root plant. Rauwolfia serpentina. In this one meaning sarpam. Sarpam is what? Pamu. Okay, in a Sanskrit word. And it is producing from which okay, this reserpine is getting from the fruits, sorry, not fruits, it is from the roots. Okay, roots of this plant, and it is useful as anti-snake, okay, venom, to protect against from the snake bite. Okay, anti-snake venom, Nana. And next you take that is the anti-snake venom, and these are the rules properly, I'll write. Okay, anti-snake venom. And next you take another one is that is a morphine. Morphine, or it is also called as a cocaine. Okay, morphine and what? Cocaine. It is getting from a plant called what, Nana? That is papaver. Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum. Okay, simply called as opium plant. Opium plant. It is getting from where? It is getting from the fruits. Getting from what, Nana? Fruits. And this morphine or cocaine is acting as painkillers. It is acting as what, Anna? Painkillers. The uses is what? It is useful in painkillers. Okay, preparation of painkiller tablets. And next you take morphine, cocaine, as well as next one you take nimbin. Nimbin is producing from a plant called as Azadirachta indica. Azadirachta indica, that is commonly called as neem plant. It is producing in almost all the parts. Almost in what? All the parts. That is leaves, roots, stem, seeds, and etc. All the parts. And it is useful in preparation of what? That is the insecticides. Preparation of what? Again, insecticides. And you take that is caffeine. Okay, the caffeine is getting from what plant? That is a Coffea arabica. Why? Because it is an Arab plant. Coffea arabica, simply called as a coffee plant. Simply called what, Nana? Coffee plant. And it is present in where, Nana? That alkaloid present in the seeds. It is acting as a what? Stimulant. Stimulant means activates. Stimulant means what, Nana? Activates what? Central nervous system. CNS. CNS is what? Central nervous system. That is brain and spinal cord. That's why after drinking coffee for 1 hour we feel very that is enthusiastic or very active. Why? Because this is acting as a stimulant of central nervous system. And next, parthenoid. Parthenoids. It is getting from plant called what? It is getting from a plant called as a chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. It is getting from flowers. Chrysanthemum flowers. And it is acting as what, Anna? That is antiseptic. That is antiseptic. And products from infections, nothing but. And next, scopolamine. This scopolamine is getting from where? Which plant? That is Datura stramonium, or simply called as a thorn apple. Thorn apple plant. Okay, thorn apple plant. And it is getting from where, Nana? Fruits as well as flowers. Fruits and what? Flowers of Datura. It is acting as what? Sedative. Acting as what? Sedative. Sedative means nothing but anesthesia. Mattu mandu. Okay, before surgery they will give sedation. So that is acting as a sedative. These are the various alkaloids and their parts and plants and their uses. Okay, very important table, Nana.